And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's hadith in Sahih Muslim, hadith number 1631, the Prophet said that when a person dies, after he dies, only 3 things continue when he comes back. Only 3 things continue as Jaariyah. Number 1 is the wealth that you have spent in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number 2 is the beneficial knowledge. The knowledge which is beneficial for humanity. And number 3, your pious children praying for you. So if you want Jaariyah from your children, if your children are not pious and if they pray for you, no benefit for you. So if you want your children to be Jaariyah for you, first you have to make them pious and then they should pray for you. So it's the duty of every Muslim to see to it that they give the children the right knowledge, the right education for both the worlds, this world and the akhirah. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ said, it's hadith of Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 893. The Prophet said, every man is a shepherd. The imam is the shepherd of the congregation. The father is the shepherd of the family. The mother is the shepherd of the children. That means each one is responsible for his flock. And we have several examples. We have several examples how the parents, how the mother saw to it that they gave the right education for the children. We have the example of the mother of Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal, he was a great scholar and a poet, and one of the pillars in the foundation of the formation of Pakistan. And if you hear his poetry, the way he explained the Quran and the Hadith, is par excellence. His mother, when the child is born, because a small portion of the earning of her husband was haram, she did not want to breastfeed the child. She said, because I'm eating on haram of my husband, I will not breastfeed the child. In Islam it's permitted, but she wants to take extra care. She does not want any haram to go into the body of the child. So what she does, she sells the jewelry, which is a halal earning, and she buys a goat. And the milk of the goat is fed to the child. And then you have Allama Iqbal, the person who created a revolution. You have the example of the mother of Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani. You know, Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani was an excellent person on Tawheed, mashallah. His mother tells him that, son, never in your life should you lie. Even if you go in loss, even if your life goes, you should not lie. So once when he's going on a travel, being a young lad, the mother put some gold coins into the hemming of the cloth so that, he does not lose it. And hiding it in the hemming, stitches it in the cloth, so no one will know that he's carrying gold coins. When he's traveling, there are some bandits who catch him. And they search him, and they don't find any money. So they ask him, don't you have any money? He says, yes, I have money. Where is it? So he shows. It's stitched in the clothes. So the bandits ask him, why did you tell us? We searched you, we did not find it. If you didn't have told us, you would have gone away. Nothing would have done to you. Why did you tell us? So he tells and replies, my mother told me I should never lie. Even if I go in loss, I should never lie. So the bandits were so impressed that they gave up robbing and stealing.